In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply for a Capital One credit card. Whether you're looking to establish credit, improve your score, or simply find a card that suits your lifestyle, Capital One has a variety of options to choose from. Let's dive into the process, making it as seamless as possible for you. First off, head over to the Capital One website. This is your starting point to explore the array of credit cards they offer. Take your time to browse through the options available, considering factors like interest rates, rewards, and any special features that might align with your financial goals. Once you've identified the card that fits your needs, it's time to move on to the application. Click on the Apply button associated with your chosen card. This will lead you to an online application form where you'll need to input your personal details. Be prepared to enter your name, address, social security number, and income information. These details are crucial as they help Capital One determine your eligibility and the terms of your credit. Before you submit your application, ensure that you meet some basic requirements. You need to be at least 18 years old, have a valid social security number, and be able to provide proof of income. These prerequisites are standard for most credit card applications, so having them ready will streamline the process. Once you've filled out the form, take a moment to review your application. Double check that all the information is accurate and complete, as this can significantly impact the speed and success of your application. After you're confident everything is in order, go ahead and submit it. In many cases, you'll receive a decision within minutes. However, don't be alarmed if it takes a bit longer. Sometimes applications require further review, and patience is key in these situations. Remember, Capital One offers both unsecured cards for those with good credit and secured cards for individuals looking to build or enhance their credit profiles. If you prefer not to apply online, there's an alternative. You can apply over the phone by calling 866-927-5831. Follow the prompts and a representative will assist you through the application process. And that's it. That's how to apply for a Capital One credit card. By following these steps, you're on your way to accessing financial tools that can help you manage your expenses and build your credit history. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your application.